Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today I'm gonna introduce a new project. It's a camper van project. So I bought this van with a blown engine, and right now I'm on the way already to install everything back. But yeah, let's take a look at the van and we're gonna see what's going on. Okay, so I took already a little bit apart, and yeah, so that should not be like that. Yeah, something happened there, so I guess the timing belt snapped or something like that. Okay, so we get the head out and we reload the head, and yeah, should be an easy fix. No, easy, kind of easy. Okay, so now the timing belt covers off. Yeah. Okay, see it. So there we have the reason. Timing belt snapped. So here we got the cylinder head. So now we get the glow plugs out and the injectors, and then we take a look at the valves. So that's what the injector looks before cleaning, and that's what it looks after cleaning. Okay, so everything is nice and clean here. Yeah, surface is good too. Yeah, valve are lapped already, so everything is nice and clean and ready for assemble. First we get new steam seals in here, then we get the valves back in there, springs and everything, the cam, and then the head is ready to go. So valves are back installed, yeah, camshaft is already in, and now the head is ready to get back installed. So here camshaft is already in, put new sealant in here, close the cover already, so everything is good to go. Okay, so here we got the new cylinder head. Yeah, so yeah, I've redone it already. It's resurfaced, all the valves are in there. Yeah, I mounted already a turbo, but I'm waiting for this gasket here. And yeah, so as soon as I have the gasket, it's going back on the block. The block is also already clean. Yeah, and like you can see in here, I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that, but yeah, so the cylinders looks pretty decent. So this engine is really healthy, no scratches, nothing. So we're gonna hit the slap the new head on there, and this engine runs for another decade. Alright buddies, that's it for the video for today. We're gonna see us next time.